Evelyn made the plan to set you up and to use you to announce, because she knew from the governor that we will
Throw it down.
throw it out.
Understand that.
And the end of March, she did it.
She made a move.
She made the move, calling us, and that's why I, for the first time I will tell you, call us in the ministerraad, and
That morning?
that morning, with representatives of the Openbaar Ministerie, PG, several people. So what the heck is this? There is a separation of powers. How can it be that the PG and the Openbaar Ministerie, they sit there and saying Allan Howell and this and that? I said, what is going on? No, this is not correct. And then she said, yes, we discovered this. And the one from the MOT was also there. In the Council of Ministers.
So in the Council of Ministers was MOT was there, PG was there, Openbaar Ministerie. You couldn't believe it.
And saying, yes, we have discovered these irregular transactions from Allan Howell. En niet integer, dus geen regering meer. Het is de POR, is de leader of the POR. With Allan Beckers.
Sitting there. You couldn't believe it. You couldn't believe it.
It was a setup. How is it possible that the MOT, the PG Openbaar Ministerie, will come and tell private things about you on a zaak? You are police, you know that's
not possible.
That's against all ethics.
Correct. Not possible. And did the PG spoke though?
They all spoke.
Everybody spoke. Everybody spoke. And you couldn't believe it.
We are separation of powers, but she has influence.
No, she has influence. That's terrible. And
she has influence on the veiligheidsdienst.
Yes. I understand that.
I will tell you my relationship with the director of veiligheidsdienst. Because he was the president curator. First of all, I was a minister. Our first meeting, I told him, Rudy Nicolaas. I told him, this is a conflict of interest. I do not agree that you are president curator. Because when you are hoofdveiligheidsdienst, you have to be like a judge. You have no social life.
No social life. And where he was? Where was he?
President curator.
President curator
of the university.
Yes. Rocker named him that one.
And I told him, and he became mad on me. And since then he didn't cooperate with anything with me. And he said, no, it's no conflict of interest. There's a salary there also. There's an income. Yes. Then curator. And so at a certain moment the conflict with the head of veiligheidsdienst was so tense